The 5 best fixed asset management software in 2023. Are you struggling to manage your fixed assets? Keeping track of locations, maintenance history, and depreciation can be overwhelming without the right tools. In this video, we'll introduce you to the 5 best fixed asset management software options in 2023, helping you streamline your asset management processes and maximize your business's efficiency. They are. First on our list is Fix. As a cloud-based solution, Fix offers a comprehensive fixed asset management experience from acquisition to disposal. 2. Next up is Fishbowl. Fishbowl's barcode scanning feature allows you to effortlessly track and manage your assets in real time. Plus, its integration with other software makes asset management seamless. Third on the list is Manage Engine Asset Explorer. This robust software enables organizations to effectively track their assets throughout their lifecycle. AssetWorks is another exceptional choice for fixed asset management. It helps you track assets, manage depreciation, and improve compliance. Last but not least, there's Upkeep. With Upkeep's fixed asset management capabilities, businesses can easily manage and track their fixed assets, including equipment, machinery, buildings, and more. And as a bonus recommendation, consider Infraon's GDPR-compliant fixed asset management solution. It offers a 360-degree view of your fixed assets' performance. With Infraon, you can effortlessly monitor the entire lifecycle of your fixed assets, automate asset registry creation, and ensure compliance with the latest accounting standards. Now that we've covered the top fixed asset management software solutions, it's time to assess your business needs and choose the right software for you. Remember, the right software saves time, reduces errors, and boosts profitability through better decision-making. Read our blog, The 5 Best Fixed Asset Management Software in 2023, on our blog site today.